Hi everybody! Welcome back to my channel. My name is Michaela for those of you who are new here.
And this is Lisa.
This is Lisa. This is my niece. And for Christmas, she got the Elsa collection from Colourpop. So today we're going to be doing her makeup. Anything else you want to say?
Well, if you got time, we'll start right now.
Okay. Alright girl, we are live. Oh no, don't put it on your cheek. You weren't supposed to start without me. Let me see it. Yeah, we're gonna start with this pink shade at the top.
Yeah.
It's called Fire. Okay, no, I gotta do it, okay? Look at me, close your eyes. Does that feel okay? Alright, look, keep your head up. Alright, close your eyes. There you go. You just do little small swiping motions. Close your eyes. I don't want to get eyeshadow in your eye, that'll hurt.
What's eyeshadow mean?
This palette right here that I'm using, this is called eyeshadow, honey.
What does it mean?
It's gonna make your eyes so pretty. See? Close them. Close them. Yeah. Okay. I'll show you when you're done, okay? I'll get you a mirror when you're done so you can see. You can see it. Girl, you are cracking me. Sit down. Close your eyes. I'm not done yet.
Wait, at least.
Can you itch? Okay.
What for my cheeks?
What about for your cheeks?
Yeah.
Well, if you want to do your cheeks, I have some other makeup we can use for your cheeks. Right now I'm going to use a different brush. I'm going to use this brush. And we are going to use
This and this and this.
We're going to use this shadow. Are you okay with that? This one?
Let's do blue.
You want blue? Okay, well I'll work some blue into here first. What do you think? You like it?
Wait, how about this?
That? Well, I'm gonna use this one next, okay?
This is.
Look at you, looking fabulous. Ready? We're gonna do the shimmer shade now. Let me finish this first, okay?
I like
You
it.
like it? Good. All right, let me do the other eye. What's up? Hey, you want me to finish the other eye? Okay. Look in the mirror. You see it? Do you like it? Okay. Right. Now this is lipstick in the shade Little Snow. It's cream lipstick and it looks like this. Real pretty. Alright, now go. Go like this, Lisa. Go. like this. Lisa, go. What do you think?
Yes.
Yes? You want to look in the mirror? You like it? So they have this glitter?
Yeah.
See it? Yeah. This glitter? Are you going to do more? Yeah. Okay. We'll wipe it off, don't worry. Alright, you want to say hi, Woochie?
Hi, Woochie.
What did you say?
Hi, Woochie.
I don't know what that is. Did you like doing this video?
Yes.
Yes? Do you like your eyeshadow?
Yes.
What was your favorite part?
The lipstick and the eyeshadow. Both.
Both of them?
Yeah.
Say bye.
Bye.
Bye, everyone.
And we're going to do the teach first, so you can't say bye yet.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.